Have you ever wondered how to make your animated characters speak with lifelike expressions?
You're lost. I can see it in your eyes. You don't know where to go, what to do.
What if you could make your characters talk and express emotions so naturally, it feels like magic? In this video, we will showcase a tool that does just that and compare it with Hedra AI to see which one truly stands out. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Apart from Hedra AI, Infinity is a new AI lip-syncing tool that generates videos with expressions and voiceovers. Click on this Get Started button, and then click on this button to sign up for an account by using your Gmail. You'll be directed to the dashboard of this tool, which looks similar to Hedra AI's interface. This tool offers you 480 free credits, with 1 credit equaling 1 second of video generation. While Hedra AI gives you 5 free videos per month, each up to 30 seconds long, Infinity AI allows you to generate up to 8 minutes of video per month. You can also explore the tool's various subscription plans. Click on the dashboard button to return to the main screen. By clicking on this button, you have a different character to choose from. Let's pick this character, for instance. You can also select different aspect ratios depending on your project. Another good thing is that you can choose different expressions based on audio. Let's use the text-to-speech option. I'll paste some sample text here. Now, let's choose a voiceover for this text. The tool automatically selects a voice that matches the character, but you can also choose any voice from the list. Click on the Generate Audio button. Here we have a couple of options to choose from. Let's choose this video quality. Turn off the cropping option to ensure the entire image is visible. Here we have 3 options to generate stable results. You can increase the number of videos per generation, but I'll stick to generating a single video. Click on Generate Video and wait a few minutes. Here's our final output.
You think you can outsmart me? This is my domain and I control everything here.
This video looks great. Now, let's try another character. This time, I will select a cartoon-style character. Let's paste the text for audio. Now click on this Generate Audio button. Let's choose this expressive model and click on this button for the video generation.
Hey, little monkey, why are you swinging so high? Aren't you scared of falling?
This video looks good, with accurate facial expressions. Let's generate a custom character. Go to the Prompt tab and paste a text description. Choose the landscape aspect ratio and generate the image. Here we have the image. Now, replace the text with the voiceover and choose a voice from the list. Let's choose this toddler's voice and click on this Generate Audio button. Next, I'll choose the stable mode for video generation.
You think you can outsmart me? This is my domain, and I control everything here.
Unfortunately, this output doesn't look great. You can see the mouth looks a bit bizarre as the character speaks. Let's compare this tool with Hedra AI. I've uploaded an image and generated a voiceover using the same text and model. Keep all settings the same as before. I'll increase the number of videos and click Generate. For Hedra AI, I'll use the same text prompt and upload the same image. You can change the image style in Hedra AI, but I'll stick with the default. Also, we have different aspect ratios, but I will go with the default one. Now click on this button to generate the video. Here's the final output from Hedra AI.
You're lost. I can see it in your eyes. You don't know where to go, what to do, but I do.
And here's the output from Infinity AI.
You're lost. I can see it in your eyes. You don't know where to go, what to do, but I do.
You can see that Hedra AI's generation is more stable than that of Infinity AI. Here's another comparison video for reference.
You're lost. I can see it in your eyes. You don't know where to go, what to do, but I do.
You're lost. I can see it in your eyes. You don't know where to go, what to do, but I do.
So, which tool performed better? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. That's all for this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you soon with more exciting content.